So Advisor Services is a suite of information analytics that provide building owners and facility managers with truly an unprecedented level of ongoing insight into what's happening in their building so that they can keep those buildings operating at or near their energy efficiency entitlement.
An OptiNet system is really enabling technology that collects a lot of information about what's going on in a building and provides smart signals for energy efficiency and IEQ management. What Advisor does is it takes that ocean of data that the OptiNet system is collecting and turns it into manageable pieces of information that can be studied or acted on by facilities managers, sustainability directors, or EH&S professionals.
Facilities managers always ask the same questions. Am I saving energy? Is my building operating at peak performance? And are there IEQ events that are going unnoticed that need my attention? Advisor Services provides the insight and intelligence to answer those questions.
Advisor is composed of 4 essential components, including visualization dashboards, graphing and exporting, smart notifications, and summary reports that are designed to work together to provide end users with insight about their facility.
These tools all work independently, but together, in order to identify, inform, and analyze building performance issues.
A typical BMS dashboard is simply representing data that could be viewed in a simple graphical form. They're just making pretty graphs. Advisor is very different in that we're coupling a knowledge base which utilizes years of subject matter expertise in order to make a poignant statement about the performance of the facility.
So for instance, in a laboratory application, Advisor Services visualization dashboards allow a facility manager for a laboratory to understand very quickly whether thermal loads, fume hood use, or ventilation dilution is driving the energy consumption in the laboratory.
Once a user identifies that an event has occurred, they would use the dashboard tool to analyze when, where, and how severe the event might be.
Advisor Services ventilation summary performance reports provide users with at-a-glance summaries of what's happening in their building over time against ventilation rates, against IEQ performance, to allow them very quickly to see room by room, zone by zone, how their building performed over that time period.
These reports are automatically generated, sent via email on a weekly or monthly basis.
Advisor Services Smart Notifications takes kind of conventional email alert systems that are available in traditional building management systems to really a new level where they're now smart, intuitive, customizable notifications to a variety of users in a building to let them really react on an exception-based call to action for what's going on that matters to them.
Smart notifications address the issue of redundant and sometimes inefficient notifications that are only too common with building automation system triggers.
Smart notifications are used for that call to action when something needs immediate attention.
Whether you're the director of sustainability or you're the facility manager concerned with energy efficiency, or you're the director of EH&S and you're concerned about particular indoor environmental parameters, it allows you to get the information you need when you need it.
The Advisor data graphing and exporting tool is an excellent way to do a deep dive on the details of any particular IEQ event.
The graphing and exporting tool can be used to identify things such as CO2 leaks, HVAC performance issues, fugitive emissions, and breaches of lab protocol.
When we demonstrate the power of Advisor Services, everyone picks a different analytic that they love most. The beauty of Advisor Services is they can pick and choose their favorite analytics and create their own customized view so that every time they turn on Advisor Services, they see the analytics that they want, that are most important to them. More and more people are realizing every day that optimizing ventilation rates is one of the most significant things they can do to save energy.
Without Advisor, it's hard to know if you're achieving the intended ventilation savings.
Advisor Services provides them the tools to monitor the ongoing performance of their building and to be able to address through actionable information what can be done to help maintain that building at peak energy efficiency.
With Advisor Services, Aircuity can now offer a total solution, not only for saving energy, but for maintaining a high-quality indoor environment.
Advisor Services is really the perfect complement to the OptiNet enabling technology to provide building owners and users with a total airside solution for energy efficiency without sacrificing occupant safety, comfort, and productivity.